No,
Take it away. Thank you. I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown. And then Georgie made the firelight. I say, Lord, running through the night. Yeah, when we could call me on porridge, I'll say, we shall stay.